Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss Arman Financial Services Limited fundamental analysis. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. I am holding Arman Financial Services Limited, so I may be biased. So use common sense before taking any financial decision. Arman Financial Services Limited is a NBFC microfinance company. They are giving the loans for SME and also for two-wheeler and three-wheelers. We'll see management. Here go to company management. Here Jayendra Patel is the managing director, vice chairman, and Alok Patel joint managing director. Go to board of directors. Here Alok Prasad is the chairman. Now we'll see financial details about Arman Financial Services. We'll open screener. Here we'll check quarterly and annual results. In December, their revenues 47 crores. In December 2023, here 169 crores. So in last 3 years, revenue increased from 47 crores to 169 crores. But also we will see the journey of revenues. Here 47 to 45, 45 to 49, 49 to 50, 58, 76, 79, 93, 103, 159, 150, 160. If we observe here, only in March 2021, here 2 crores decrease. Remaining all the years, here sales are increased. So this is positive sign. Now we'll see the profits. In December 2020, here profits are 3 crores. It's reduced from 3 crores to 1 crore. Later 4 crores, 4 to 5, 7, like that it's increasing. If we observe profits, only March 2021, here profits decrease from 3 to 1 crores. Remaining all the years, all the quarters, here profits are increased. So this is positive sign. Now we'll see last 4 quarter results. Here in December quarter, sales increased to 63%. This is positive sign, and profits increased 91%. In September quarter, sales increased 73% and profits 104%. In June quarter, sales increased 89% and profits increased 154%. In March quarter, sales increased 97%, profits increased 122%. Here, last recent 4 quarter results are excellent in sales wise and also profit wise. This is positive sign. Now we'll see last 10 years financial data. Here we have annual results. In March 14, here they have 24 crores as a revenue. Now last March 2023, it is 423 crores, and current last 12 months, last 4 quarters, that is 627 crores. Yet sales increased from 24 crores to 627 crores. Here approximately 24 crores to 620 means 600 crores increase in 10 years. Here their growth is exceptional. It's very good. It increased from 24 crores to 627 crores. If you observe each year, like 24 crores to 29, here increase. 29 to 40, here increase. 40 to 53, 53 to 78, 78 to 139. In each year, their sales are increasing. In March 2021, here 20 to 21, here due to COVID, sales are decreased. Remaining all the years, their sales are increasing continuously. This is positive sign. If you see profits, Here March 14, their profits are 4.5 crores. In 2023, their profits are 93 crores and last 4 quarters 158 crores. So profits increased from 4 crores to 158 crores. Here approximately 154 crores increase. Their profit growth also excellent. This is positive sign. Here we will see expenditures, all the things. We'll go to screener. Here expenses. So manufacturing cost here minimal. So from 2012 to 2023, here 0.4 percentage, 0.7 like that. So the manufacturing cost is very minimal. Why means Arman Financial Services Limited is the NBFC company, so they don't have any manufacturing cost. So this is positive sign. Next, employee cost. So if you see employee cost in 2012, employee cost is 14.19 percentage. Later increased to 19 percentage, 18 percentage, 17 percentage like that. Then so here in March 2021, 18 percentage, March 2022, 17 percentage, and 23, 12 percentage. Here employee cost reduced from 14 percentage to 12.9 percentage. This is positive sign. This is positive sign. And other cost, it decreased from 19 percentage to 16 percentage. So this is also positive sign. Now we'll see compound sales growth. Here 10 years sales growth is 38 percentage, 5 years sales growth is 40 percentage, 3 years 26 percentage, and last 12 months 79 percentage. Their sales growth is excellent. This is positive sign. Now we'll see profit growth. Last 10 years 40 percentage. This is positive sign. 5 years 67 percentage, 3 years 31 percentage, last 12 months 115 percentage. So here profit growth also excellent. This is positive sign. Also we will see return on equity. Here return on equity for 10 years 21 percentage, 5 years 23 percentage, 3 years 20 percentage, last year 33 percentage. So in all the years for 10 years, 5 years, 3 years, so it's more than 20 percentage, and also last year 33 percentage, it was improved. So this is also positive sign. What we observed up to now. So Arman Financial last 4 quarter results are excellent. Here all the quarters sales are increasing and also profits are increasing. And if you see annual results from 2014 to 2023, so here sales are increasing every year and also profits also increasing. This is positive sign. And also if you see profit margins, here profit margins 2014 18 percentage, then 20 percentage, 19 percentage like that. So current 25 percentage, and also 2023 22 percentage. Their profit margins are excellent. So they are getting around 20 to 25 percentage. This positive sign. And also we'll check promoter holding. Here promoters holding is current December 2023, it is 23.65. Okay, so here current holding is 23.65. If you see yearly, in March 2017 27 percentage, it decreased from 27 percentage to 26. So here increase, then later 27, Then here in December 2023, 23.65. It decreased from 27.42 to 23.65. So Arman Financial is in growing mode due to this one. So promoter holding also diluting. So they're collecting the money from the market and also from investors. Due to that one, they're diluting their equity. So that means Arman Financial is in growth mode. We'll check public holding. So here different people holding, like here Mukul Agarwal, no, here Elevation Capital Limited, it's holding 15.25. So this is major holder. Now I'll see few more things. Here return on equity. So return on equity, so in March 14, return on equity is 16 and ROC is 16.7. So if you see here, every year they have good return on equity and ROC. In March 15, 16%, 16%. Here in March 16, 18%, 17%. In March 17, here 13%, 16%. And March 18, here 13%, 13%. So 17 and 18, they have low ROE and ROC. And also in March 2021, here due to COVID, here also ROE, ROC reduced. So remaining all the years, they have high ROE and ROC. This is positive sign. Here Arman Financial is in growth mode. Due to that one, here debt to equity is increasing. So and also, so this NBFC company, they want to give the loans to public. Due to that one, they are taking the loans from banks. Due to that one, here their debt to equity is increasing. So debt to increase is increased from 2.2 to 4.39. So here debt to equity increasing, and also growth of Arman Financial also is increasing. Now we'll check few more ratios. The current market cap is 18.49 and current P is 11.6. If we compare current PE with 3 years PE, so 3 years PE is 27.8 and current PE is 11.6. So last 4 quarter results are excellent. Due to this one, so Arman Financial Services Limited P is reduced from 27.8 to 11.6. This is positive sign. That means currently Arman Financial Services Limited is cheaper comparing with last 3 years. And we'll see ROC and ROE. So last 3 years before, ROC is 13.9%, current ROC is 18.7%. This one is improved. And ROE, so 3 years before, ROE is 20%, now 32.6%. This is also high. This is positive sign. And we'll see sales growth. So here current quarter results year on year. So quarter sales 63% and profits 91%. So this is excellent. And last 1 year sales growth 79% and profit growth 115%. This is also excellent. Here 3 years sales growth 25.6% and 3 years 31.2%. This is the profit growth. This is also excellent. And 5 year sales growth is 40% and profit growth is 66%. This is also excellent. And sales growth 7 years 39% and 7 years profit growth 42%. This is also excellent. So current quarter results, 1 year results, 3 year results, 5 years, 7 years results of Arman Finance are excellent. This is positive sign. And we'll see the returns. So if you see here, returns over day is negative, and returns 1 week 7% is negative, returns over 1 month 17% is negative, returns over 3 months 20% is negative, returns over 6 months here 15% negative. So last 4 quarter results are excellent, but here price of Arman Financial is reduced in 6 months. So here 15%, 20%, 17% down. So 1 year returns are 41%, this is good. 3 years is 44%, 5 years is 38%, 7 years 36%, return over 10 years is 59.9%, that means 60%. Now we'll see, if we invested 1 lakh rupees 10 years before in Arman Financial, how much we got? We'll open CAGR calculator. Here 1 lakh rupee. So if you see here, returns over 10 years is 60%. Okay. So if we invested 1 lakh rupees 10 years before, so here 10 years, so 60%. Okay. Crore. Okay, see here, so 10 years returns are 59.9%, that means 60%. So if we invested 1 lakh rupees 10 years before in Arman Financial, we'll get 1 crore 10 lakhs. So in 10 years, that is 60% CAGR. So this is excellent returns. So if we invested 1 lakh rupee in Arman Financial 10 years before, current returns are 1 crore 10 lakhs. Okay, so we got 110 times. These are excellent returns. So we need to find any company in smaller stage, then we'll get excellent returns in the future. We need to find all the positives and negatives of any company to get the good returns in the future. So for that purpose, we need to check all the things in different possible ways to find positives and negatives, to find multi-bagger stocks. So here Arman Financial in 10 years gave multi-bagger returns, and also we'll see few more things. Here cash flows. So current year free cash flow is 722 crores negative. So here free cash flow previous year this minus 282 crores. Here free cash flow for 3 years minus 996 crores, 5 years minus 1295 crores, for 7 years minus 1477 crores, for 10 years minus 1480 crores. So in all the years, Arman Financial Services free cash flow is negative. Why? So Arman Financial Services Limited is the NBFC company. They are giving the loans to public. For that purpose, they want to get the loans from banks. So due to this reason, so free cash flow is negative. So most of the time for banks, free cash flow is the negative. We need to remember that point. Example, we'll check few more things. For example, take Cholamandalam Investment and Financial Company. See here free cash flows. So for this one, Cholamandalam Investment, here free cash flow is negative. Free cash flow previous year negative. For 3 years negative. So here 5 years negative, 7 years negative, 10 years negative. If we take in other company like credit taxes, your free cash flow. So free cash flow current year negative. So previous year negative. So 3 years negative. So 5 years negative. 7 years negative. So for all the years, for NBFC companies, free cash flow is negative. We need to remember that point. We'll see they are giving dividends or not. Here, up to 2019. So here 14-15 they gave 1 rupee, 1.2 rupees, then 16 1.4 rupees. Then in 2017 they didn't give dividend. So in 2016 Indian government demonetized 500 rupees notes, 2000 rupees notes. So due to the 1000 notes, so due to this one, so here the business was impacted. So they stopped dividends here. Later they started in 2018 1 rupee, 2019 1.4 rupee. So after 2019 they are not giving the dividends. That is one negative point. But we need to understand why they are not giving dividends. So Arman Financial Services Limited is in growth mode. So they need money. For that purpose they are not giving the dividends. So they are getting the loans from banks and giving that loans to public. So they are in growth mode. They are not giving dividends. We need to understand this point. So here price to book value is 3.94. It's the average price to book value. This is the price. So already we saw one point. So in annual results, here their sales are increased continuously from 2014 to 2023. So only in 2021 down. And also if we see profits, so here each year their profits are increasing. So only in 2021 due to COVID, here their profits are down. Remaining all the years their profits are increased. So this is positive sign. Here the results are very good throughout multiple years. So if you see the price, we'll check price for 10 years. So 10 years before, price of Arman Financial is 17 rupees. Current price is 1889. So it went to 17 rupees to 2600 later. So it was down from 2600 to 1800. So recent quarters results are very good. If you see here recent 4 quarters, so 91%, 104%, 154% and 122%. The results are excellent. But recently if you see for last 6 months price was down. How much down? So here highest price is 2600 to 1800. Recently this price is decreased. Results are good but price is decreased. So currently, and also current PE is 11.6%. That means based on results and current PE, and also current PE comparing with 3 years or 5 years median PE. So here 3 years median PE is 27, 5 years is 18, so 8 years is 17%, current PE is 11%. So if you compare current PE with 3 years, 5 years and 8 years median PE, and also if you compare with last 4 quarter results, so currently Arman Financial is undervalued stock. We need to remember that point. And also their ROE and ROCE are good. If you see here ROE and ROCE, most of the years their ROE and ROCE is more than 15%. This is positive sign. So what we observed based on Arman Financial Services financial analysis. Arman Financial Services Limited results are not good in 2016 due to demonetization and also due to COVID. They didn't give good results in 2021. Remaining all the years, so they gave excellent results. Their sales are increasing continuously and also profits are increasing continuously. Their ROE and ROCE also good. And also Arman Financial gave 110 times in last 10 years. So this is a multi-bagger stock, and also their results also, their sales and profits also increasing continuously. So here free cash flows are negative in each year. Why means, so this NBFC company, they are giving loans to public and they are getting loans from banks. Due to that one, their free cash flow is negative. So for all the NBFC companies like Cholamandalam Investment, Credit Access, free cash flows are negative. We need to remember that point. And also here, if you see here market cap to sales, it is 2.94 percentage. So this is cheap if we compare with market cap to sales, that is positive sign. So these are my views, and also I am holding Arman Financial Services Limited. So maybe I am biased. So use common sense before taking any financial decision. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.